So guys, I have coffee, so you know it's early. And I have two knives. And some paper. So, I haven't done a video on sharpening, but I will in the future. Oh, damn. Every time on video. So this is a fairly coarse edge. This is it's 200 grit on the primary and 400 for the micro bevel. An user knives, so even the user knives in our kitchen, I end up doing an edge like this just because, well, I end up using the knives a lot, and I don't want to spend 30 minutes sharpening a knife only, for it to get dull, literally the next day. So what I actually do is, on my Wicked Edge system, I have a 100, 200 grit stone. I just run it back and forth on each side till it almost gets to a burr, and then I take it and run it down here at a slightly elevated angle, and that'll get you almost push cut performance. It'll get you push cut performance at a slight angle. So the other thing with this edge is that when I'm sharpening, I actually, especially on the micro bevel, I actually run the thing, I run the knife down it like this. That sets the, so at a microscopic level, there are these little teeth on the edge, and that sets them at this angle, which is where most of your cutting action is going to be in that draw cut. So it has very, very nice slicing performance. But you can also almost push cut. It's a little hard with a finish like this done by hand fairly quickly. Yeah, I literally use this knife to scrape stuff and deburr sometimes, so I'm not as careful about the edge as I am about builds like this. Now, this is a petty that I just finished up. Take a look at that finish. Can I get it? There we go. It's a pretty sweet finish. Rounded spine, of course. All my using knives have rounded spines. Rounded handle. The nice pinch grip front on the handle. And yeah. Like butter. No. Sharpening's not all that hard, guys. I'll do some videos in the future. Again, I sharpen this knife to be, really damn sharp in like 30 seconds. It's a skill, and it does take a little bit of practice before you can get to proficient at it. I would say being able to get an edge like this is being proficient. But again, this is easy. This was like 30 seconds. On a full-size chef's knife using the same technique, I spend maybe 2 minutes sharpening. My family is not the most careful. They are not the most careful people when it comes to preserving edges. It kills me sometimes, but they still cut stuff straight on our granite countertops. Anyways. So that's that. This is the most recent build. It's actually heading out to Austria. And there it will be used to slice and dice food and make its owner very happy. Well, I hope it'll make him very happy. He seems pretty excited to get it. Anyways, so yeah, Vanguard Forge Petty, demonstration of sharpening of what my knives come like out of the box. Again, there should be no question about how sharp a knife is when you're spending $275 on it, or even more money on it. There should be no question. Lasers. Anyways, adios, guys. Have a nice day.